Let's talk about automating your entire business online without being technical. Now, the nature of online work is that everyone that works or has a business online uses a number of online services that they feel comfortable with. Now, in some cases, these are services they grew up with or learned to use over time. And in other cases, these are services that they were asked to use by a partner or an employer or a client. For example, to create things, people use Microsoft Office, Word or PowerPoint, Google Docs or OpenOffice or others. To organize things, people use Evernote or Google Keep or Trello or OneNote or some other application. And maybe even to broadcast. Some people use GoToWebinar, some people use Webinar Jam or Join In or Easy Webinar, and that's just to name a few. And then to save time using these applications, we all like to have it so that we can get these services to talk together. So we don't have to manually recreate all of the information in one application, then all the information again in the other application in order to use them together. And to do that, when these services they launch, they tend to build custom integrations between some of the popular services. And then when new services pop up, sometimes they have to go back and add these new services. And as you might imagine, it's expensive and time consuming to keep adding integrations every time there's a new service to come up. Fortunately, there's one website company, it's called Zapier. They've taken this on as their mission. They connect two services that typically don't have these direct integrations and they make them talk together in ways that people actually use them. And Zapier calls this way of getting two applications to talk an integration. They make them available through a process on their site that they call making a zap. And these zaps mean that you and your teammates or your staff, you will not have to manually move information from application to application. Nor will you have to get a programmer to do some kind of expensive custom integration or create some kind of software. Zapier handles the conversation, if you will, between these two web applications all on its site. Now, if you want to learn how to save time and increase your productivity between these applications, then check out the link you see on this screen.